You say they're not attached to you, but when they are sitting quietly and pretty just outside your bathtub on your towel, waiting for you to get out, they're probably attached to you. Meet Puffin and Dragon, the kittens I'm fostering right now. They're about 10-11 weeks old, and they have the prettiest colors. Puffin has the sweetest temperament, low maintenance. Dragon is he's very anxious and very active. He's more of a man's cat. He does lots and lots of stuff. He goes a bit crazy a lot faster than she does. Yeah. So I'm just saying they are attached to you. You just don't realize it because they express it in different ways. Anyways, take care. Bye-bye.